Hello guys, in this video I'll show you I built out a PDF editor which actually in Angular, the latest version of Angular, which can highlight, annotate your PDF document directly in the browser. This is actually the demo of the application. We are running it on localhost. And let me show you the project. We are using the latest version of Angular, which is 21. And, uh, and we are running this project on localhost. As you can see, it's also very easy for you to deploy this application as well. So we are running this project localhost. So coming back to the application, if you need the source code, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it. After purchasing it, you will get the source code from Google Drive automatically. And it's very easy for you to run this. So now to run this, first of all, you need to select a PDF file for actually highlighting and annotating. You can add watermark, you can do your highlighting. Once you select the, basically, you also have the option to merged multiple PDF files as well. You have this plus icon here, you can add your another PDF file. So in the pencil icon, you basically see, first of all, your digitized, you can actually sign, just pick your color and digitally sign, and then you can place your signature wherever you need to. And then for annotating as well, we can also highlight anything. As you can see, it's very easy for you. Go to the next page. It will save you a lot of time because you don't require any third-party software, rather than you can use this project in Angular. And then for adding watermark, it's very also very simple. Just put your watermark in real time. It's adding the watermark for you. Select the color here of the watermark. Adjust the opacity. Adjust the size as well. And automatically on both the pages, the watermark will be added. After that, we also have the support for adding images. If you want to add an image, you can even add that image. Just place it. Then we also have the option to add text. Just put the location wherever you need to add the text. Just click. Just input the text here and just automatically it will be placed. After that, you simply click the download button. So everything will be saved here. All the modified changes that you have done, the watermark, text, images, all the things are automatically added. So if you are looking forward for a ready-made project in Angular, guys, some PDF editor, this will be the right project for you. Definitely purchase it. And for building this, we are actually, you can see this is the overall project. We are specifically using two third-party libraries, which is Mozilla PDF JS and PDF-lib. So we included the CDN of both these libraries, as you can just see right here. We're also using Tailwind CSS as well, and we are using the latest Angular 21 version. So if you're looking forward for purchasing this, the link is given in the description. You can directly purchase it, and if you face any sort of problem after purchase, I will definitely help you, and you can safely purchase it. The link is given in the description.